The biggest problem you will face after launching your crypto project is the distribution part. Like, you have your token on the chain. Now is the time to do the distribution. You have to use multiple strategy before you go to exchange, finalize the price and allow the user to trade. So you need to have a good user base, good audience, good investor. So you can raise the capital and you can go to the market and distribute and collaborate with multiple projects. And there you have to be very critical, very focused if you really want to have a successful crypto launch project. Before you move to a crypto exchange and create the liquidity and allow the user to perform the trade, you have to raise the capital. So the best strategy we follow at the moment, and all of the successful token launch so far we have done through the ICO model. And this one is the best strategy where you can launch the token, allow the user to purchase and be the early investor. So when the token will go to the exchange, they will have the extra leverage to make the profit, because you will have certain price on which you're going to sell it, and you're going to have a different price on the exchange where they will have the opportunity to make the profit, and how it will allow you to raise the capital for your product, for your crypto project. So you will find that this is the similar project we have at the moment, which is absolutely industry ready, where you can simply launch your token and allow the user to purchase. And the best part is, for this particular project, is that you are giving multiple options for the user to purchase your token. They can buy with the SOL, which is the native currency, or they can buy with the Stablecoin, which is the USDT. So right now you will find that this is the beautiful interface I have. Let me first show you the transaction, then I will show you the entire model we have, where we are displaying the entire distribution of the token. So you will find that right now this is the price I have set, but you can literally set any price to your token. You will find that this is the USDT balance I have, and this is the SOL balance I have in my wallet. So if I want to purchase the token with the help of SOL, I can simply purchase that. So all I can do is to give the quantity. For example, I want to buy, let's say 100, like 1000 token. The moment I want to buy 1000 token, you will find that I'm going to pay 1 SOL, and this particular fund will go straight away to the receiver address, which is the admin who is running this particular ICO. It will go straight away to that particular void address. We are not keeping anywhere in the contract. So it's a direct transaction. So all I have to do is to simply click on this buy now, and it's going to perform the transaction. So you can see we are processing the transaction, and it's going to open the phantom wallet. I can click on this continue, and you will find that this is, I have to give my password, and here I have the password. You can see I'm buying 1000 token. This is the transaction cost I'm paying, and you will find other details about the transaction which we are performing and the contract we are interacting with. So all I have to do is to simply click on this confirm, and the transaction is processing. You will see the progress bar went up because we have bought 1000 token from the ICO. And the reason why the balance is displaying the same, because I'm receiving the fund in my same wallet address, the same wallet address. So what I will do, I'll simply come back here and I will go back to my other wallet. So I'll go back to account number 1. So this is the account number 1 I have, and right now you will find that I have this much fund in my account number 1. So if I try to buy 500 tokens, so I'll simply call this 500, and you will find that I'm going to pay this much fund. I'll click on this buy now, and the transaction is processing. Click on this, and you can see I'm buying and I'm paying this much fund, and this particular fund will go straight away to account number 2, which is the receiver of the fund. I click on this confirm, and you will find the transaction is happening, and here we have made the purchase. If I come back to the stablecoin, you will find that I have only 7 USDT. So I can simply give, let's say I want to buy 100 token. Let's see how much money I'm paying. I have 5, but it's good. I have enough fund. So I'm paying 5 USDT for buying 100 token. I can click on this buy now, and here the transaction is happening. You will click on this, and you will find that how much you are paying. This is what we are paying. Click on this, and the transaction is happening, and the transaction is completed, and we have bought it, and the fund went down. You will see the fund went down. Now, if I go back to my previous account, so if I go back to my account number 2, you will find the fund will go up. So it's went up to 15. You can see we have received the fund. It has also received the stable coin. The fund went up. If I come back here, it also went up. Earlier it was 77, but now it's 82 because we have got 5 USDT in our wallet. So this one is a perfect strategy which allow you to sell your crypto project, and this will help you to raise the capital. Because you cannot go straight away to the decentralized exchange where you have to create the liquidity. You need to have fund, then you can able to do the marketing. And this one is the perfect strategy where you can sell your token in a certain price, and you can list to the exchange in a different price. What will happen then? The user will have the advantage of making the profit because they are the early investor. So you will find that we are giving all the details that where we're going to provide the liquidity, where we're going to list the token in the exchange. So you can simply provide all of that, and you can customize every single thing. This is the complete project we have, which provide all the details about the crypto project for the successful launch. We have multiple phases which you can able to provide. That's all is there. This is really powerful, and this is the strategy which you have to use. Creating token is not a big deal. You can create, but what's the benefit you will get if no one is buying it? No one is taking your token. It will be on the blockchain, but no one is taking your token. So focus on distribution, include different model. This is the one model, and this one is the popular model. You will find most of the distribution, most of the crypto launch go through this ICO launchpad, where you will allow the user to be early investor and they can have the chance of making the profit when you will take it to the exchange. So this is how you can able to perform. Again, it's really powerful. If I want to buy more token, I can do that. I can give, let's say I want to buy 20. The moment I want to buy 20 and I will pay 1 USDT, anyway the fund will come back to my wallet. So let's click on this buy and the transaction is happening. Let's click on this. Let's click on this confirm, and the transaction is going to be complete, and we have paid 1 USDT and we got 20 token. If you come back to the ICO detail here, you will find all the details, because this is the wallet which I'm connected. It's an admin, so it will have the access of the admin panel and it will control the entire project. So if I come back here, you will see the admin address, the current wallet address, the balance, and the token you have, the total supply which is left, token sold, the available supply we have in the contract, and the progress bar. So if you want to fund more token into the ICO contract, you can fund. So user can keep buying your token. So you can come back here, you can buy the token right from here, or if you are an admin, buy from here. And I'm an admin, so that's why this option is available, and I can deposit more token into the contract. So right now we have the supply is 6,000. Let me close this one to check that we have the supply of this much token is available. So what I will do, I'll simply click on this and you will find that this is the token is available. Let me try to fund the token. So I'll go with, let's say 2000 token I want to deposit in the ICO contract. So let's click on this deposit, and the transaction is happening. This one is a very important part, because if you want to increase your ICO drop, you can do that. You can see we are depositing. Let's click on this confirm, and the transaction is happening. And here we have deposited and this went up. You have increased the supply. So every single thing is got updated. If I want, I can buy that. So I want to buy, let's say 100. I can buy it. You can see the details, how much I'm going to pay. That's all is there. Click on this buy token now, and it's going to process the transaction. I can click on this and you will find that how much token I'm going to receive. Click on this confirm, and the transaction is processing, and here the transaction is completed and you have bought the token. So you will have the full control over the contract, over the supply, over the withdrawal. That's all you will have the control. Whenever the user will purchase, that's all you will get straight away to your wallet address. And this is the strategy which you have to include if you really want to raise capital for your crypto project. And that's what you will find that most advanced crypto project get their funds. So you can go back to the tokenomic details like home, tokenomic, or you can go back to the roadmap. There you will find the details that how we're going to do it. You can display the details, distribution which you want to do, the market distribution. That's all you can highlight. You can go back and you can add all of these details. So it's a really powerful project. I would suggest you to follow the complete project. There we have built every single thing from scratch. Launch your crypto project and focus on distribution. We already have the complete project which you can focus on the channel. So make sure this is the strategy you have to implement if you really want to launch your crypto project successfully. And that's the only thing I want to cover in this. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me in the comment section. I'll try to help you in that. And that's the only thing for my end. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.